Hey guys, just wanted to give you a little update on the Can Am. We went to Sandlot actually last week, 2 weeks ago, and they did pretty well. We went to the bounty hole. They did pretty good regarding the axles and everything, the actual components and the actual, the arms in the back. I changed them finally to the new ones, the new and reinforced. It's actually the same Super ATV, just I had a friend reinforce them. He put some of these gussets here and pretty much reinforced the whole arm. I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah, reinforced the whole arm. It's been doing pretty good actually, because if you guys remember, the back of the Can Am was pretty cambered out because of the arms. Those Super ATV arms are not very strong, I guess, for this amount of tire. But so far so good. I mean, it's been already like a month and it's been holding up. The front is good. Front is holding up. The front actually has those the track arms. I got the track arms in the guy's name is Jaimmy Customs on Facebook. So I got the link bars, and they come with the tabs to hold onto the frame. And then the front I actually have the ball joints. They're like Keller ball joints, Dirty Mafia ball joints. So those are doing pretty well. Other than that, the bike's pretty good right now. Actually, it's nice and washed. So yeah, that's some of my stuff now. Here's the bike again. Just turn the camera. I actually have a little new project going on. Bought a couple new tools to be able to help me out with the project. Actually bought a welder. The welder I had was the flux core. Is on the 110. It does it does okay. Not bad for little jobs, but I want something better. So I got this. I actually got the same one, just the 170. It's off of 240 volts, and it actually uses gas, so hopefully the welds are a lot better. We'll see. I have to test it out. I'm gonna be doing some modifications back here, so I need something that welds better, and I needed something that actually cuts straight lines. So we'll see. I got all this stuff in Harbor Freight. We'll see how it does. I'm gonna unbox them now, and then I'll probably show you, or we'll see. But the bike's been doing good so far, but I do want those wheels stretched, so we'll see what happens, or if I can make it happen. It's gonna be a pretty big project, but we'll see. Here we got the Cutout Saw. It's pretty legit. Comes with the wheel and everything, 14-inch wheel. So at least it can cut tubing and square tubing, pretty straight. You can set it here at any angle you want. It's pretty legit. Has the little Allen key here. You tighten or untighten right there to align the angle. And you have a little thing to grip down your piece, and then you cut it and you're good. I also got this toolbox and this vise. I just installed it. This one's pretty nice. So yeah, next I'm gonna unbox this bad boy here, and we'll see. I gotta find me some metal to test it out. Got the new welder. Looks pretty good. Here's the gas fitting. And then we got the all the tools not the tools, the switches on, min and max, 1, 2. And yeah, it's pretty legit. Gotta put in that new feed, gotta put the gas, and we'll see. I'm swapping over from the old one. So today is the next day. I was able to finally set up the welder with the gas. I ran into a couple issues yesterday that I needed to do. Had to change the 240 plug that was on the house. And this fitting here for the gas for the welder. But today I actually used it and it does really well. Much better than the Flux. Much better than this one. And it's on 220 volt. So it's way better. But it does good. I welded there on the muffler there and it was pretty legit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the new tools. Keep life. And yeah, so we'll see.